I am Dr. N.K. Venkataramana, Founder Chairman and Chief Neurosurgeon of Brains Super Speciality Hospital. The spinal cord is the continuation of the brain that carries millions of nerve fibers, and they also have very specialized nerve cells called anterior horn cells that each cell controls each single fiber of a muscle in the body. So that is why in any kind of a spinal disease, the muscle becomes weak and the anterior horn cell is damaged, that muscle is permanently lost. This is what happens in motor neuron disease or amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, etc. Now, all the sensations in the body are carried to the brain through the spinal cord only, like for example touch, fine touch, crude touch, pain, temperature, position sense, vibration, pressure, everything is carried through each specialized nerve to the particular part of the brain. First it comes to the spinal cord where you get the reflex. The moment there is a mosquito bite, the pain comes to the spinal cord. Before it reaches the brain, the spinal cord itself acts, it will send the other hand to tap, okay? And after that, it also knows from where the pain has come, what kind of pain it is, and simultaneously the message is also sent to the brain to the thalamus, where the degree of the pain, the nature of the pain and character of the pain and the intensity are assessed, and then immediately it will go to the higher brain to interpret the entire process. Now, when there is a bite which caused a pain, it could be a mosquito, it could be an ant, or it could be some other poisonous animal. So, the reaction should be different for all the three reasons. Okay. Now, if it is a mosquito, automatically the spine level itself is taken care of. Suppose if it is something else, there is a burning pain after that, you continue to massage though you are talking simultaneously. But if it is something else, then you need to take action. Either you need to get up and look what it is and try to sort out that whatever has bitten you, or you run away if it is difficult for you to handle the situation. So, all this process happens through the spinal cord. Similarly, if you want to do some activity, now the thought will generate, I want to do a particular movement, and the brain will formulate the thought, process the entire information and create the program in which what muscles will act at what time, at what speed and to what extent will be decided, and then the message is passed accurately to those muscles, and one movement comes this way, the other movement will relax, and as soon as we hold this, then to lift there is another group of muscles, and to take it to another place is another group of muscles, and then bring it back another group of muscles. Once the action is timed and it is completed and everything stops. So, the entire process, two things have to happen. There is a continuous message programming direction to be given by the brain, and second, when the action starts, there is a monitoring of the quality of the movement, at what speed it should move, where it should move has to be monitored. At the end, the action should be closed. So, all the three communications will happen through the spinal cord. So, the spinal cord plays a significant role in creating a seamless continuation during day and night between the body and the brain, and this information is very crucial to do any kind of work. Could be a routine work, sometimes we do not think, mechanically we do, but still that process of program and communication will be going on. Some require very highly skilled activity, even then alertness is more important, but the process is the same that happens through the spinal cord.